As in this video, we're going to take a look at the real reason why your camera make rattle sound or noise. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy S22, S23, 24, or S25, when you shake the camera, when you shake the phone, you may hear it make rattle noise. So the reason is because it has a technology in there. It's called Optical Image Stabilization, and that is the most common cause of the rattling or the subtle clicking sound in the camera module. Modern Samsung phones like Galaxy S22 to S25 or newer uses OIS, which adjusts the camera lens or sensor to reduce blur. This movement is driven by tiny motors, and sometimes you can hear or feel them. It is most noticeable when the camera starts up, when you hold the phone in low light, video stabilization is active, or when you move the phone quickly while shooting. So here I will zoom in and show you the camera. You can see here it shakes back and forth, same as this one here. That is the optical image stabilization. So when we move the phone back and forth like this camera lens moves around and make that rattle noise. So here you can hear that rattle noise when I move the camera back and forth. And so hopefully this video shows you the exact reason why your camera system make the sounds. Okay, so it's because of the technology built in. There's nothing wrong with the camera system. It's not faulty. It's just simply because of that image stabilization. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.